there's a wave coming over the next 4 years. There'll be more demand for housing. The peak age of the millennials, I think, is 32 years old. The average age of the first-time home buyer is 36. And that's just the natural demand.
He's a very successful real estate investor. He was very successful in the music business, and he found ways to keep recreating that success even when things got hard.
The next thing that you would have to do if you want to make any sort of money is go through sales. So I looked at insurance, I looked at cars, and that seemed really actually kind of good at the time.
The whole point here is I want to show you how everyday, ordinary people achieve extraordinary things, and you can do the same thing.
And they had this other thing that said, travel as far as you can see, and when you get there, you'll see further. And so we just kind of had this program of walking forward with blind faith. But, you follow the right person, that blind faith works.
He has his latest book, Escape, Crushing Conventional Wisdom with Real Estate Investing. Please welcome to the A-Game podcast, my guest today, an OG in the game, Mr. Matt Theriault. Welcome, sir.
The Federal Reserve just came out with a stat. This was like 2 years ago. They did a study. They said the average homeowner, just one home, is 40 times wealthier than the average renter. What if you had two?
He has had an epic success in real estate investing, from flips of up to 15 a month, rentals adding up to 1 a month to his portfolio, to multifamily, as well as creative finance deals, raising private money, and documenting his systems and processes for success along the way.
And he said, Matt, if you really want your money back, it's gonna be real estate. It's the final frontier for the average person like you or me to create real wealth.
He has definitely brought his A game to life like a true champion. A-Game podcast, ladies and gentlemen.